Assalamu alaikum students. It's 7th class English grammar and our first topic is the sentence. It's three types. Sentences and its three types according to the function and structure we have to learn. Okay, before learning them, we should discuss the main things like sentence, phrase and clauses. Okay students, what is a sentence? All of you know about it very well. A sentence is a group of words that has a complete sense. It has a subject and predicate as well, and it ends with a full stop. Like you can see here, we is a subject and the remaining part of the sentence is called predicate. Clear? This is a sentence. And our next topic is what is a phrase. It is also a group of words, but it hasn't any subject or predicate. इट गिव्स अ सेंस लाइक अ सेंटेंस. ये सेंटेंस की तरह ही सेंस देता है बट इट हैजंट एनी सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रेज. एंड आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज व्हाट इज क्लॉज. क्लॉज क्या होती है? इट इज़ आल्सो अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. इट इज़ आल्सो part of a sentence. It gives a complete sense. It has a subject and predicate as well. It has a complete sense like a sentence. And now there are many types of clauses like adverbial clause, noun clause, and adjective clause, dependent clause, and independent clause. But here we shall discuss two clauses, dependent or independent clause. Okay, I wanna make you clear that what is dependent clause and what is independent clause. Dependent clause is a clause that depends on the other sentence to complete its meaning. It hasn't its own complete sense. ये दूसरे सेंटेंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है अपनी सेंस को क्लियर करने के लिए. बट independent clause doesn't depend on any other clause on any other sentence to complete its sense. Independent clause is called principal or main clause as well, and dependent clause is called subordinate clause as well. Okay, now let's discuss the types of sentences according to their structure. Structure के लिहाज से sentences की कितनी types होती हैं? There are three types of sentences according to the structure of sentences. First one is simple, second one is compound, and third one is complex. Now, what are the simple sentences? Simple sentences are those sentences which have subject and predicate. They have their complete sense. They end with a full stop. As you can see that we play hockey. Here we is subject and the remaining part of the sentence is called predicate. Our next type of sentences is compound sentences. Compound sentences are the mixture of two or more than two clauses. Okay, there are two or more than two clauses in the compound sentences and both are independent. Compound sentences में जितनी भी clauses होती हैं they are of equal rank. They are independent clauses. They don't depend on other sentence. ये किसी दूसरे सेंटेंस के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करती अपनी सेंस को क्लियर करने के लिए. And the conjunctions which join the independent clauses are called coordinating conjunctions. और जो conjunctions independent clauses को आपस में जोड़ती हैं ये क्या कहलाती हैं? Coordinate conjunctions. The sentence is it was Sunday and we went boating. It was Sunday. This is the one sentence. It's a one clause, and the next we went boating. This is the other clause, and both are of equal rank. Both have the complete sense. They are not depending on any other sentence कि दूसरे sentence के ऊपर depend नहीं कर रही. That's why they are of equal ranks. They both are independent clauses, and the conjunction which is joining them and is this is coordinate conjunction because it is creating a relation between two clauses of independent clause. That's why this is coordinate conjunctions. Our third type of sentences is complex sentences. It has also two or more than two clauses, but the difference between complex sentences and compound sentences is that compound sentences are of equal ranks, they are of independent clauses, but complex sentences are not of equal ranks. They have not independent clauses. They have one dependent or and वन इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. इनके एक डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होती है और दूसरी क्या होती है, इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होती है. वन सेंटेंस डिपेंड्स ऑन द अदर सेंटेंस टू मेक इट्स मीनिंग क्लियर, and the conjunctions which join the dependent or independent clauses are called subordinate conjunction. As you can see the sentence, she did not go to school because she was ill. Now there are two sentences, she did not go to school, first one this, and she was ill. In the first sentence the meaning is not clear, वो स्कूल क्यों नहीं गई, we don't know the reason. And in the second sentence we find the reason, and the conjunction because which is joining them is creating the relation between independent or dependent clause. That's why this is called reasonable conjunction as well and subordinate conjunction as well. Now students, your concept about simple, compound and complex sentences according to their structure is clear. You will learn some definitions about them, like first the definition of sentence here to here, and about the compound sentences you can read this paragraph, you will understand it easily. And then about the complex sentences you will read this one, then your concept will be very much clear. Okay, in next lecture we shall discuss about its exercise, and you have to practice about all these things. Allah Hafiz.